In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove stocks from your watch list on Robinhood. Whether you're tracking your favorite companies or keeping an eye on potential investments, managing your watch list helps you stay organized and make informed decisions. I'll walk you through each step so you can easily add or remove stocks right from your Robinhood web account. Let's get started by logging into your Robinhood account on the website. So on your computer or laptop, open your preferred browser and head over to the Robinhood website. If you aren't already signed in, enter your login details and complete any two-factor authentication if prompted for extra security. Now that you're signed in, you're ready to start building or modifying your watch list. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. This is where you can look for any stock, ETF, or crypto that you want to follow. Simply type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in. As you type, Robinhood will show you suggestions. Click on the one that matches what you're looking for, and this will take you straight to the detailed page for that stock. Once you're on the stock's detail page, look for the Add to List button. This button is usually just below the stock name or next to it, and clicking on it will bring up an option to add this stock to your watch list. If you have multiple lists, you can choose the one you want to add it to. If you just want to add it to your main watch list, go ahead and select that. You'll now be able to track this stock easily from your watch list. If you want to view all the stocks you're currently monitoring, you just need to head over to your watch list. Find the Lists section, which is usually located on the right-hand side of the dashboard. Click on Lists, and you'll see all the different watch lists you've created, including your main one. Here, you'll find all the stocks you've added, and you can quickly check their performance or get more details at a glance. Now, if you ever want to remove a stock or even delete an entire list, that's easy too. Go to your watch list and look for the three dots, usually found at the top corner of your list. Clicking on these dots will bring up a menu of options. Choose Edit List if you want to remove specific stocks, or select Delete List if you no longer want that entire list saved. That's it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly add new stocks to your watch list or remove them whenever your investment interests change. This is a great way to personalize your Robinhood experience and keep your portfolio aligned with your goals. Thanks so much for watching, and happy investing.